Today, in our English class, we are going to see the parts of speech. Have a good day, children. Now we can see the parts of speech. This is the vocabulary: listening, speaking, reading, writing skills. In that part, you are having different parts of speech. What are they? Noun. In this first lesson, we are going to see about noun, adjective, adverb, and verb. Now, what are the types of nouns we are going to see is, we already know concrete nouns which denotes the common nouns and proper nouns. Example given: the name of a city or a car or names of a person. These are called concrete nouns. Abstract nouns specifies an idea or quality. For example, here given: fraction, joy, happy, sorrow, like that we can say. We can say the shape also of an object. Next, countable and uncountable nouns: pen, book, girl, boy, like that we can say countable. And sugar, rice, uncountable nouns, sugar and rice. Next, collective nouns: school, colony, bunch, like that we can say collective nouns also. Then cattle. Compound nouns means myself, classmate, output, like that. Compound form of nouns. Next, possessive nouns: girls, doll, my friends. Possession means the thing that we are having. It specifies one's thing. It specifies one's things. Next, regular plural nouns and irregular plural nouns. Regular plural nouns are cars, bags, pens, like that. Irregular form means men, women, people, children, etc. Next, now we are moving to the verbs. Verbs are nothing but action words. Here some examples are given. Tense forms we are having V1, V2 and V3 verbs. Then auxiliary verbs, primary auxiliaries we are having, and modals or marginals we can say. Then quasi-modals or semi-modals. These are helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs, and the main verbs which we are using in the tense form V1, V2, V3. In this tense form we are using the main verbs also. For example, here given: grow, swim, fly, feel. Must is an auxiliary verb. Do, does, did, be verbs, have verbs, do verbs. These are main verbs. They act as main verbs. He is a doctor. He is a teacher. Like that we can say the example. Now adjective we are going to see. What do you mean by adjective? Means it qualifies a noun. It supports a noun. So adjective describes a noun. How we are using that noun? It is described by the adjective form. For example, here given: blue shirt. I bought blue shirt. It's a tiny ladybug. She's a happy baby. She had a happy baby. Silly dragon. Shiny mirror. So it qualifies the noun. How the mirror was. Shiny mirror. What was the color of the shirt? Blue. Blue shirt. Like that it qualifies the noun. And just given an introduction, then we can go to the exercise part. Now adverb is a word which qualifies a verb or adjective or another adverb. So now adverb often answers the question how. How often, when, where. A simple way to form an adjective is simply we can add ly: easily, carefully, joyfully, sadly, like that we can say. Some examples are given here. Next, we are moving to the vocabulary part in our lesson. So what are the exercise we are going to see is, we are going to form a given word will be given, and you are going to change it into verb, adjective and adverbial form. Otherwise a verb may be given